National Donut Day today. And tignan nyo, ang haba na ng pila. So, it's a day of dozens. So, bibili ka ng dami ng pila, guys. Happy Donut Day.
It's gonna be 18.25. You can just press one and then
Yeah, yan. So, $18, guys. Kunin mo, Daddy, ah. Thank you. Yan. Happy Donut Day. That's Baby Bree. Wow. Nagpa-practice siya ng kanyang scooter. Kanina ping-pong siya. Enjoying the weather. Oops, di ka na. Di niya kasi sinuot yung kanyang gear. Oh. Okay. Show it to the camera. Heart. Si Daddy. Ito naman, si hiyaw ng hiyaw. Gusto niyang magtakbo-takbo din. Careful. Ay, shush. Ayan, guys. Madami ding nagbabike. Okay. So, hello guys. Today, we are going to open our parcel. So, sa last parcel, I returned some of the items or clothes of Riel. Now, I ordered new ones because ayaw niya yung iba. So, let us check the items that we've got here today. First, we have, alam niyo na diba? Kasi mahilig si Brie mag-cardigan and malamig-lamig naman dito. So, she got a new cardigan. It's a yellow one. Nice. You like it? Here ka. Wow. Good job. Nice one. Okay. So, it's a cardigan again. Sinoli ko yung brown na nakita nyo kasi masyadong manipis siya and hindi ko type yung. Yan. Great. Next, we have the Baby Bree's assorted bowls. Okay, wait, baby. Before you open that one, let's show them this first. No muna. Okay, guys. Ito, we have brown or khaki, peach, pink, maroon, cream, blue, this one, gray, light pink, rose pink, and black. So, she's gonna wear it. Dapat dito. Wait lang, Ate Amber. Si Ate Amber ay hungry na, guys. Kaya nagpapapansin na siya. Ganyan lang. Wow! What do you think, guys? Is it nice? So pretty to my baby. So, pang dito yan sa likod na ganun. Okay, back.
My bows are lost, so we buy new ones.
So, some of her bows are lost, so we bought new ones. And, wait lang. We have to fix it. The next one. Show them. Oops. Get it. Okay, so meron na tayong stand ng ating packet for. Ayan. So we will check it. So first dress of my baby Bree is it's a blouse. She can pair it with her dress, with her jeans. Nice one, guys. So cute. Ganda yung tela niya. You love it? Okay, next. Wait lang, baby, and next is for her graduation dress. This is yellow, guys. This is for her graduation.
I wanna open it.
So
It's a bow.
There's a bow in it. Ang ganda ng tela niya, guys. Very nice. You wanna wear it? You can try in Ate's room. Ate help you. You will come back here. Okay? So, we can show. So, ito yung guys, yung stand ng ating, oo, yung pwedeng i-mount sa ano, stand ng, lang temper ah. And next, pumili ako ng writing numbers, notebook ni Brie, numbers, para iti-trace niya. And then, ito yung memory card ni ate na 128 sa kanyang camera. So, nagpapabili si ate Aki ng camera niya na Kodak. Okay, so meron siyang tracing letters workbook. This time letters. We have numbers and workbook. So, 64 pages siya. Para may gawin siya pag weekends. And then, can I see baby Brie? Wow, guys, look at my baby. She looks so pretty on her dress. Ang ganda. Can you turn around a little slowly? Wow. And we will pair the golden shoes. Wow. So, this is 10 over 10, guys. Ang ganda ng tela and very elegant siya. Wow, nice one. Can you show daddy? So, guys, balik tayo. Okay. It has a necklace bobbing. Ay, hindi ko alam saan to. Kung necklace ba to or isasabit sa damit. But it's good. Ayan. Nice. So, where's the... Let's put it back now. So, you can open the other... Oh, sorry, guys. So, you can open the other dresses. Next. Next po tayo. Oh, this is mine. Later na yan. So, I got mine. It's, gagamit ko sa graduation ni Brie, pero later na natin i-open. Okay, next is for the Ate Ang Blush. Let's show them first. Wow. Nice one. Okay, Amber. Amber, saan ka? Halika dito. Gutom ka na naman. Okay. Yes, babe. So, next, for baby Brie again. Oh my God. And it's a cords again. Nice one with the pants. Oh. Nice. So cute. Ang ganda ng tela. Cotton siya. May pang araw-araw na si baby Brie. Ganda din to, guys. Okay, next. My baby is so excited with her clothes. Okay, my bow. Another dress for my baby. Wow. It's so nice. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-ta-ta. Happy birthday to you. Ta-ta-ta.
No.
It has a bow. Open that. Yeah, that's a blouse for your jeans. Check it out. Ang daming damit ng baby Brie ko. Because I love her. Wow, this is so cute.
Where's my dress that has like the princess or something?
Ay, it's on the next package, not here included. So you have to wait for another package. So ang ganda din ito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung cotton siya, anong tela niya, pero okay siya, hindi siya manipis. Tamang-tama lang. Alright. Oh, that's for Ate Amber. Remember, I returned the other one. Yung polo shirt ni Amber, sinuli ko yung dati. Kasi masyadong maliit. Pag nagka-book siya, hindi nakakasya yun. So, wait lang, Daddy. Oh, ito siya, oh. Yung polo. Wow. What is that? Okay, next dress for my Bobby. This one, guys. May bow na naman yung dress niya. And this is a beautiful eyelet siya, guys. So, wow. It's so cute. You wanna try? Not anymore.
Try.
Just put it on top. It's okay. So good. Try. Nice. Huh? Ooh. Dito. Wait lang, Ambe, ah.
No, I want.
Here.
I got there for here.
Oh, but where? Where do we put it? There's no... Wala naman yung kagayan niya, guys. Binigyan niya kami ng bow. O, paano namin ikakabit to? Dito siya. I will just... Itatahi ko na lang. Dito siya, guys. Should be. But wala siyang, kabitan. Diba? How could that be? Galing.
No, maybe I know.
No, is that the last one? Okay. So, the rest are... Oh, this is for you, your flashcards. Wait, stop, wait. For Baby Brie's alphabets. First, can you count 1 to 10 in French?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Next time, we will count 11 to 20 to you guys. But, okay.
I still don't know.
She doesn't know yet the other. She's still learning. And
That's it.
camera accessories and for my phone accessories. That's it, guys. Hope you like our video. Thank you for watching. Bye! Guys, so first outfit. Move there so you can see. Ayan. Turn around. Ayan. Careful lang. Okay, next. Oh, see? Okay, so second outfit check. Turn around slowly. Wow. Ito yung manipis, guys, pero maganda siya pag suot. Daddy, look. Okay. Ah, maganda, oh. Tama-tama lang. And the back. You show the back. It's so beautiful. Oh. Wow. So when we go to the mall, ganda. Nice. This is another dress. You like it?
It's actually a skirt.
Yeah, it's a skirt. A pair of skirt and a shirt. Show. So, pang 8 years old, guys. Pero kasya na rin sa kanya. Cute, oh. Back. Oh, kasya lang pala. Wow. Turn around slowly. Wow. Nice. So, another turn, oh. Yun yung jeggings and red top. Oh, show it, baby. Wow. Nice. Ang ganda. She likes it so much. Okay, let's try another. She will turn around. Wow. Like a model. Guys, this is the pants. These are the 2 pants. Oh, ang ganda. Konting tupi lang. Wow. Ay, so. Yung 3 pants. And now, so cute, oh. Oh, my baby. She likes her pants. Wow. Okay, you like it? Alright. Ambe. Hello guys, balik tayo ng Old Navy today kasi alam namin maraming sale ngayon. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang sale nila. Ayan, oh my deal, styles from $12. So, ayan, oh. Lapit na Canada Day, remember? Kaya, ayan, puro Canada ang nakikita nyo. So, ito, magkano na lang? $64.40 off. Ito pang men's, $12. Ganda. Yan, ganda blik ko. Ito nga isa kay, gusto ko yung may Canada. Kasi, $10 na. Mas maganda pa to dati eh. Oh, yung binili natin last time. $10 eh. Oh, di nagsishrink. Gray binili ko. Shorts. $16. Hoodie na lang. Saan? Ayan mga yan. Oh. Now 19. Sale nga lahat. Tingin muna tayo. So, ano? Let me see. $20. 24 na lang. So, maybe 50 off. So, itong sorry. So, itong crew neck na to, 50 off. Nasa 22. Ano lang siya. Tayo sa pang girls. Open, no? Ubus na yung display nila dyan. Sale. Off. Ay, ito. Magkasya kaya si TV Brie. Wala, maliliit. 20 off. Ito pang baby naman. Doon tayo sa medyo pang malalaking bata. Ano 15 na lang? Ito yung 15. Because, ayun, ito yung 26. Tingin tayo sa may clearance. Yung binili ko dati, so meron pa siya. $7. So, magkano na lang? Mahal talaga itong cardigan na to. Gusto ko yan kay Dee. Doon sa clearance tayo maghanap. Dito sa clearance may 10. Dito, 14. $1, girl. Okay, 80 to. Sleeves na lang. Happy guys. $1.97. Tingin tayo. Mura. Na bata. Naka-sale na lang din. $1.99, $7.99, $11.99 mga ganun. Ito 6. Ito 14. Swimsuit guys. Mag-swimsuit kalamig-lamig ng tubig. Ito, 5. Nipis-nipis eh. Small. Ito pa. $19 mga skirt. Ito 18. 40 off. Gaya ng mga sinasuot ko eh. Pang ano, dry fit. Okay. Sana pa tayo guys. Ito 999 below. And under. Diba? Ito, cute. Hirap lang maghanap.
guys. Tingin muna ako ng kasama niya. Maybe. Tayo. Ito po. Kuha kang short. Magkano? Ay, 19. Nasukat mo na ba? Sukat mo muna. Tingnan mo kung ano maganda ang fitting. Maganda pag nakasuot. Yeah. Saan pa? Ganito sana na nakasilo. Saan? Yeah, small. 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 Large. 5 lang? Medium. Medium. Motorworks na. Small. Yan, small. Kapudi. Pagpatong niya. Hindi ko alam. Ito. Ganito yun. Ganyan yan. May nakasiro. Namubos na nga dito eh. Oh. Pinaubos na. Oo, maganda. Try mo lang. Hindi, no, feeling mo. 24. Oh, yeah. Yung mga short na hindi ka, yung ano, bands doon na maliliit, papadala ko kayo. See. 50. Sukat mo muna kung ano maganda. Parang maganda din yan eh. Oo. Maganda pa nga din. So, puti or black. Or ano. So, ito, 44. Ha? Hindi ka magsukat? Ito, mga ano na, 12 na lang yan. Sukat ka na. Hindi ko alam. Hanggang 8 yata sila, di ba? Titingin nga ako sa ano ng ano. Tingnan natin kung magkano na lang yan. Tapos pintahan lang natin si Daddy. Magsusukat siya. Or 7 na lang. T-shirt. So guys, tingnan lang natin ito. So ayun guys, magbabayad na kami. Wala ko ng pang package ko. Mo lang pang package ko ng mga t-shirt. And nakabili lang siya ng kanyang shorts. Mag-ano na tayo. So yan guys, nakabili tayo. Maraming sale actually. So nakabili tayo. Ang total is 67.20. Tapos yung mga t-shirt naka-sale lang. Ayun. See you next time. Sumaglit lang kami.
Maglit lang kami ng gastos.
Ng gastos pala. Natitignan lang siya short, pati ako napabili. It's okay, papapadala ko kasi yun sa box. Ayan. Uwi na kami kasi may hinahabol kaming parcel sa bahay.
Street Northwest.
Paglalaba. Tsaka baka hindi na naman i-deliver yung order ni Akiya. Napaka-complicated sa apartment. Yeah, uwi na kami guys.
50 meters. Turn right.
Kailangan na naman makabili ng bahay. Charing. Canada! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe naman dyan, guys.
Turn right onto 23rd Avenue
Thank
Northwest.
you. Bye. Here's my pogging driver.
1.5 kilometers. Turn left onto